Welcome back to our garden series where we explore different plant varieties and their unique qualities. Today we're going to be talking about the graceful bamboo. Bamboo is one of the oldest plants used by humans with a rich history in Asian cultures. It is an important resource for building materials, food, and medicine. Graceful bamboo, also known as Bambusa textilis gracilis, is a clumping bamboo that is native to China and has been cultivated for over 1,000 years. It is highly valued for its slender, delicate canes and graceful foliage. Graceful bamboo is a tall, upright bamboo that can reach heights of 25 to 35 feet. It has slender, green canes that are no more than 2 inches in diameter, with a distinctive knotted appearance. The leaves are narrow and lance-shaped, and they grow in dense clumps along the canes. The plant forms a dense screen of foliage that provides privacy and shade. Graceful bamboo is a hardy plant that can grow in a wide range of conditions. It prefers well-draining soil, moderate amounts of water, but can tolerate drought and heat. It grows best in full sun to partial shade and can be grown in USDA zones 8 through 11. Graceful bamboo can be used as a screen or backdrop for other plants in the garden. It pairs well with ferns, hoistas, and other shade-loving plants. It can also be used as a windbreak or to create privacy in outdoor living spaces. Graceful bamboo is commonly used in landscaping and gardening for its beauty and versatility. It is a popular choice for creating screens and privacy barriers in residential and commercial landscapes. It can also be used to create a natural fence or hedge around a property. Additionally, graceful bamboo can be used for crafts, furniture, and building materials. The young shoots are edible and are a popular ingredient in Asian cuisine. The leaves and canes are also used in traditional medicine for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.